Are you looking for a smaller bag that can fit your essentials? Maybe you're a photographer looking for a new crossbody for quick shots? Well, you have come to the right place. Hi, I'm Caitlin, and today I'm going to introduce you to the Peak Design Everyday Sling Bag. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you like, subscribe, and don't forget to tap that notification bell so you never miss out on any of our latest products. This Peak Design Everyday Sling Bag is the perfect personal item when traveling, fashion statement while out on the town, or gear protector while on a photo shoot. It comes in a few different sizes, starting with the 3-liter, which is designed for a single mirrorless body or lens, the 6-liter, which is the size we have here today, which can fit a DSLR camera, and then the 10-liter, which can fit a small kit and is a great option for a 13-inch laptop bag. So since we have the 6-liter option here, let's dive into it. We've got 2 external carry straps here, and you can wear it as a sling bag or a hip bag. The padded crossbody strap has a quick adjuster you can loosen when you need to get in the bag, or tighten when you're being active. There are weatherproof ultra zip zippers that give you quick access to whatever you need, and the outer fabric is made from 100% recycled material. Now let's move on to the inside. There are 2 large and 4 small internal stretchy pockets, a padded tablet sleeve that fits tablets up to 11 inches, and 2 FlexFold dividers that let you customize your bag so you can organize it the way that makes sense to you. This is the smallest and lightest bag in the Everyday line and stands at 9.5 inches tall and about 10.6 inches wide. If you have any other questions about the Peak Design Everyday Sling Bag, please reach out to us by phone, email, or chat with one of our experts online. We're always happy to help. I'll see you next time.